Okay guys, I want to show you my strategy for volatility 75. These are my indicators: Bollinger band, period 20, then deviation 2, then the second one, period 20, deviation 3.0, then your stochastic should be 833. Now, how do you pick your entry for buy or sell? Basically, I take trade on 15 minutes, but I use multi-time frame. 5 minutes, I switch between 5 minutes, 15 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes and 1 hour just to confirm my trade. Now, before I buy or sell, what do I want to see? Number one, I want to see the market, the candlestick pierce into the two Bollinger band. It must enter the middle. I mean, this, we call this the lower Bollinger band, the lower band, and this is the upper band. This middle one represents the moving average. So I want to see the price pierce into the upper or the lower Bollinger band. That's my first check if I'll buy or sell. Then the stochastic must be oversold or overbought. Those are the conditions. Once that two conditions are satisfied, then you can enter the trade. Let me show you an example. For example, the market pierce into the upper Bollinger band here, and the market is also it pierces into the upper Bollinger band, and the market is also overbought. So what do? You sell. That's just the condition. This is another example. Pierce to the lower Bollinger band and the market is oversold, you buy. That's just the simple condition. But then, how long you will hold? Then you have to trade with multi-time frame. For example, assuming I want to take this trade on 15 minutes. Now let me do example with this. Now on 15 minutes, this is my signal for buy. This one is not a signal because this candle did not pierce into the upper or the lower Bollinger band, so you don't trade that. Now this is a signal for buy, and the market is also oversold, so you want to buy. But then before buying, I would like to check what the 1 hour is saying concerning this trade. This is what I'm saying. You can just put this kind of arrow there, or line rather. Now check on 1 hour. 1 hour is the stochastic on 1 hour is showing what? Sell. So if you enter this trade, you don't wait so long because the 1 hour is against you. 1 hour is against you. Now, I took a trade yesterday and I want to explain why. Okay, it's actually this trade. My entry is from 15 minutes. Now, this is the point I entered the market. It pierced into the middle Bollinger band and the market is overbought. So it came down, you get, and the market move up again. This one will start bringing in emotion. But when I check my 1 hour for this trade, one hour, you see, I noticed that 1 hour is also giving similar signal. The market is also oversold. So with this trade, I can hold. You can hold this trade because 1 hour is saying the same thing. 1 hour is saying sell, 15 minutes is saying sell. Even if you check 30 minutes, 30 minutes is also saying sell because the market is overbought. It's saying sell. So even if the price is going against you, you will wait because the market is saying overbought. So each time you pick your entry, make sure that the higher time frame is for you. Make sure the higher time frame is for you. Remember the simple step when you want to take the trade. The first rule is that make sure that the candlestick is piercing into the upper or the lower Bollinger Band. Number two, make sure that stochastic is oversold. Then maybe you buy or you sell. For you to be sure, I repeat, for you to be sure, make sure that the higher time frame is also saying the same thing. Now, for example, let's check this trade. This is 30 minutes trade. 30 minutes, the market is oversold, correct? Okay, let me put this. Now, let's see it on 1 hour. Can you see? 1 hour too is saying the market is oversold. So when you enter this trade, you can hold for long because 1 hour is also saying buy. 1 hour is also saying buy. 30 minutes is saying buy. 15 minutes is saying buy. What do? You buy and you can hold for long. Now listen to me. This is another signal for sell. Please pay attention here. This is another signal for sell. Can you see that? It's another signal for sell. But check 1 hour. Check 1 hour on this trade. Check 1 hour. Can you see? Is 1 hour pointing down? You see? The stochastic is still going up on 1 hour. Will you sell that? No, you will not sell. You wait until the 1 hour time frame, higher time frame, and the lower time frame are saying the same thing. When they are saying the same thing, then you follow the direction. Thanks.